Hey friends, Jeff here with RV Optimizer, and today, kind of a special treat, we wanted to check out a brand new model that Airstream's rolling out in the classic version here they have. And to help us understand a little bit about what we're going to look at, brought Cassidy here, our friend here from Florida, Airstream, and she's going to take us through what's new and what you guys should be aware of here, right Cassidy?
Yeah, definitely.
So Airstream made the classic before.
Yes.
But this one is, what would you say is the main difference?
Just really the size.
Okay.
Honestly, a lot of people have been
You didn't make a 28 foot?
They'd never made the 28 foot before. They only have the 30 and the 33 foot. A lot of people are wanting something smaller. They're going away with the Pottery Barn this year, so that's the 28 foot. A lot of people like that, so they went and did the classic 28 to have sort of a similar feel to that Pottery Barn, but with all the luxury amenities of it. On the 28 foot right here, you have the deadbolt automatic lock. So instead of having that key entry, you just press a button on your fob, and then you also have that option for the key entry as well too. So you can.
All right, Cassie. So now we're inside the newest model from Airstream. Take us through some of the key things that are different or that people should know about.
Yeah, so for this model you have your nice fully reclining couch, but it reclines all the way flat to make you a nice full bed, and then you have your legs that recline out as well. A lot of the new models since 2021 have the nice composite flooring underneath, and you have the nice PVC woven vinyl flooring. It's about a credit card inch thickness with a nice padding underneath, so whenever you're walking barefoot you don't have to feel hardness. It's nice and squishy on your feet. You also have your nice pantry. This is brand new for the 28 foot model. 28 foot models do not have this slide out pantry, but in the classic it does. Nice wooden ones too. Normally they're just a wire rack. You also have this little hidden one right here too. It's a smaller spice rack, as you would say. You could put little knickknacks on there. And then you have your smart control system right here, so you can power everything from your unit from this little tablet right here. It tells you all your tank sizes, so all your waste tanks, your propane tanks as well too. And you can control your lights, onboard mode. Control your lights right here. You can turn them off, turn them on. Same with your exterior lights as well too. You can control your AC from here, and then your fantastic fan as well. Coming back here, you have your nice bathroom, so your separation of your shower and your toilet and your sink. And this one's a twin bed model in particular, so you do get a little bit of a longer bed. These are 80-inch long beds, so you don't have to worry about your feet hanging off if you're a tall person. You also get tons of storage as well. You get 4 drawers underneath the beds right here. You get 2 drawers on each bed, and then you also get 2 additional storage compartments on the outside as well. Lots of storage space right here. You have removable shelves in here, so you have 2 hanging closets if you really needed more space for your closet. And a TV on a mount right here, so if you wanted to move it out, you can move it out to about right here.
Tell us a little bit about, I know it's a brand new model. Is it available at most of your dealers?
Okay. Yeah, it's all available. Mostly you would have to order them now because it is very new. So they would come straight from the factory, either directly to the dealership closest to you, or we can have it shipped directly to Airstream of Tampa.
Sure, and so give folks an idea, the MSRP on this is?
It's about $200,000 MSRP.
Yep.
And then right now for the show pricing, they have $156,995.
Okay. All right. Well, very good. Tell everybody if they wanted or had some questions, wanted to get in touch with you, how would they best do that?
You can call straight into the dealership, Airstream of Tampa, and ask for Cassidy myself. Or if you go on our website as well, you can either call directly into the dealership, call for me, or we have an email line as well too.
Well, thank you for sharing this new model for Airstream. I hope everybody enjoyed the quick walkthrough we did. If you did, please subscribe to the channel. Greatly appreciate it. And until our next video, I hope all your RV trips are optimized. Thanks.